This is a hot topic. I see this changing agriculture, but not the way you think, which is interesting. There are limits to electrifying a tractor. Right now, the limit is 80 horsepower. That's a chore tractor, maybe a raking tractor. If you get 4 hours a day out of it, that'd be great. That's nice. That's the Monarch. That picture was actually taken at CES, but I also saw it in Germany this 3 weeks ago. They actually partnered with CNH. They sold some of their autonomy technology and electric technology to New Holland and Case. Those tractors have some of that Monarch technology in it. It has some automation capability built in. Again, that gets back to size may not matter if you don't have an operator in it. You can run 5 machines instead of 1. That's part of the conversation. But if you want to think bigger, what it might mean to put a bigger tractor electric, the one on the bottom was taken in 2019 at Agritechnica. That is a Deere prototype, which they've never shown again. They actually have video of the thing working when they had it in the booth. This big tractor pulling a big tillage rig in the field. It's electric. It is. What they don't tell you is it was running on an extension cord. Now, this is, okay, for the dairy people in the world, you could run the tractor on a drag line, I guess, but I don't want to go there. But the whole idea is that there's a limit, and the best limit is, the CTO of Deere made this comment at CES last year. If you were to run the 8R tractor, the autonomous 8R tractor at 75% of its horsepower, about 310 horsepower, and you were to run it 14 hours a day, and you wanted to get that kind of performance out of it as an electric machine, you would have to have the battery packs from 38 Tesla Model 3 long-range battery packs. That's 48,000 pounds of batteries on the tractor. So the tractor would now not weigh 55,000 pounds. It now weighs 110,000 pounds. And you still have to charge it. And you know how much 48,000 pounds of battery is going to cost and how long that's going to take to charge? I don't see Elon building you a supercharger in your farm. I'm just going to go with that for a minute. So based on that, electrification has some promise, and it's opportunity for the spiders as the technology gets better. But even the smaller robot makers are going with diesel engines and electric drives, knowing that they can swap out that diesel engine and put an electric drive in when the tech gets better. But right now they're not there, and they know this. So that's why this is going. But that's also why Deere, AGCO, CNH, all the big players in the market are talking about what in Europe they call HVO, hydrogenated vegetable oil, which we call over here renewable diesel. Not biodiesel, but renewable diesel, because it's drop-in perfect. It's a drop-in replacement for diesel. Great business for soybean producers and anybody with a third crop down in the south that wants to do cover cress or any other kind of oil crop, because we're going to need all we can get. That's the kind of thing. And that's where the potential is. And that will also reduce our carbon footprint.